Now, I have to say before starting this lecture that you do not mix these two things, log in and logging, right? I mean, hopefully you know that already. But logging is about the log messages that are produced by an application when performing any number of tasks, right? We can also capture important information from the log messages. InsecureBank application uses log.d as its method to produce log messages. All right? So, let's get started. Open the bytecode viewer, and let's look at the do login activity. Now, there's no log class here, so open the other one, and let's search it. Aha, here it is. The do login activity produces a debug log message whenever a user attempts to log in using the log.d method. So these logs can be dumped using logcat. Logcat is a command line tool that dumps a log of system messages, including stack traces when the device throws an error, and messages that you have written from your app with the log class, usually used by developers to check if the application is working properly. You see where we're going with this? So let's try to capture these logs. So first we'll check the connectivity. All right, that's not a problem. Run adb logcat. And as you can see, there are lots and lots of log messages. So we need to only get the credentials so we can filter the results. Although it can be a little complicated, you can always do it with a few Linux commands. So the command that you see here on the screen, we can get the log message that we want. The grep command allows us to search plain text data sets for lines that match a regular expression. awk is mostly used for pattern scanning and processing. So let's log into the app and see the result. And, as you can see, just by filtering, we reach the log message so much easier. Now, of course, this command is very complicated, and there's alternative solutions to get the credentials from log messages. There's a very useful tool that makes this process easy. It's called PidCat, and it's an excellent logcat color script which only shows the log entries for processes from a specific application package. In fact, we can even install the PidCat with the apt get install command. So let's run PidCat to see if it works. Okay, now we need to supply the target package as a sole argument to PidCat. And we'll write PidCat and give the package name. Okay, so definitely more useful and a great tool. So we'll log into the app again. And what do you know? There's a successful login message and we get the credentials.